Hello, I'm Dr. James. You've probably heard people say things like, never reheat this food, or reheating that food can cause cancer. These warnings can sound very alarming. These claims spread rapidly across social media, websites, and conversations with friends and family. But how much of what you've heard is actually true? The truth is often more complicated than the headlines suggest, and understanding the facts can help you make smarter decisions in your kitchen. In today's video, we're going to explore 6 common foods that many people are concerned about reheating after they've been cooked. But instead of relying on myths, rumors, or fear-based claims, we'll look at what science and food safety experts actually tell us. You may be surprised to learn that the biggest danger often isn't the reheating process itself, as many people believe. In many cases, the real risks come from how food is stored, how long it sits out, and how often it is reheated. We'll discuss rice, spinach, potatoes, cooking oil, chicken, and mushrooms, along with what really happens when they're reheated improperly. More importantly, you'll learn practical habits that can help protect your digestive system and improve food safety at home. These simple habits can reduce the risk of foodborne illness and help keep your meals safer for you and your loved ones. Remember, the purpose of this video is not to make you afraid of leftovers or foods that you already enjoy eating regularly. Leftovers can be nutritious, convenient, and budget-friendly when handled correctly. So stay with me until the end, because some of these facts may completely change how you think about reheating food. Let's get started. Have you ever opened your fridge and wondered whether yesterday's leftovers are still safe to eat? The answer may surprise you, because some foods need extra care when reheated. Many people believe reheating certain foods automatically causes cancer. But the real story is much more interesting, and understanding it can help protect your health. In most cases, the biggest problem is not reheating itself. Instead, it involves how food is stored and how long it sits out. The danger lies in how often it is reheated.
Today, we'll explore 6 common foods that deserve extra attention before reheating, and you'll learn simple habits that can keep your meals safer. Let's begin with rice, one of the most commonly consumed foods in the world, and surprisingly, one of the most misunderstood leftovers.
Rice itself is not dangerous. However, if cooked rice stays at room temperature for several hours, certain bacteria can begin multiplying rapidly. Some of these bacteria can produce toxins. Even if reheating kills the bacteria later, the toxins may still remain in the food. This means the real danger often starts before reheating even happens. Safe storage is your first line of defense.
Refrigerate rice within 2 hours after cooking. And avoid reheating the same batch multiple times.
Next is spinach, a nutrient-packed vegetable loaded with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and compounds that support overall health.
Spinach naturally contains nitrates, found in many healthy vegetables. Understanding reheating helps separate facts from fear. Normal reheating of spinach does not cause cancer. The biggest concern is repeated heating and poor storage. Repeated heating can gradually affect the quality of nutrients in spinach, reducing some of the valuable compounds your body benefits from. The smartest approach is simple. Prepare only what you need and avoid reheating leafy vegetables over and over again. Food number 3 is potatoes, a household favorite. Enjoyed in countless forms, from baked potatoes to creamy mashed dishes. Like rice, potatoes are usually safe. Problems can begin when cooked potatoes remain unrefrigerated for long periods after cooking. Warm temperatures create conditions that may allow harmful bacteria to grow. This happens especially when food safety habits are ignored. Fortunately, preventing this risk is easy. Cool potatoes promptly and store leftovers safely inside the refrigerator.
Now let's talk about cooking oil, an ingredient found in nearly every kitchen, but often overlooked during food preparation.
The issue is not reheating food cooked with oil. The concern comes from repeatedly heating the exact same oil. Repeated heating can increase oxidation and create unwanted compounds that may contribute to inflammation over time. Whenever possible, use fresh cooking oil. Avoid repeatedly frying foods in old oil that's been heated many times.
Food number 5 is chicken and other cooked meats. These foods provide valuable protein, but they require careful storage and reheating practices.
When cooked meat sits at room temperature for too long, bacteria can begin multiplying much faster than many people realize. That's why food safety experts recommend refrigerating leftovers promptly and keeping them at safe storage temperatures whenever possible. When reheating chicken, make sure it becomes thoroughly hot all the way through before serving or eating. Food number 6 is mushrooms. These nutritious foods contain vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and beneficial plant compounds. Repeated reheating may reduce the quality of some nutrients. It also affects the texture and taste of mushrooms. For the best quality, store mushrooms properly after cooking, and try to reheat them only once when needed. Have you noticed the pattern? The biggest risk usually isn't reheating itself, it's poor food handling before reheating ever happens. Simple habits like cooling food quickly, refrigerating leftovers, and reheating safely can make a significant difference to your health. Your digestive system works hard every day. Giving it safe, properly handled food is one of the easiest ways to support it. Thanks for watching. Smarter food habits protect your health. Like and subscribe. Stay informed for more anatomy facts. Protect your health tomorrow.